So I was describing to you the preferred way to go to a new line. Okay, just scroll until the end of this comment on line number 2. Please do it.
Scroll to the end. Yeah, I'm at the
Yeah,
end.
to the end until you reach the end of this line. Oh, no. Until you reach the end only.
Okay.
Go
It's
back,
the end of
go
this.
back,
The
yeah,
end of
go back.
the end of the
Yeah,
end of 2.
be careful. Okay. Again.
And then enter, right?
Okay, good. Now, after this number, after this dot,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, hit new line, hit enter. Yeah, that's
Okay.
right. Okay, it's easy. We just do this to avoid mistakes. Because any small mistake will make your life hard. Okay. Now we already have our class timetable. We should put our main method. And I already told you how to do it the easy way. I will not remind you one more time.
I think I remember. Hold on.
You should remember.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah,
I remember.
we should do it fast.
Okay.
Hmm?
Okay, it is.
What is the first letter in main?
I thought it was.
Main start with M.
Oh yeah.
Hmm.
I don't know why I thought it was
Oh,
return.
look, it's so easy. Very good.
I don't. Yeah, I thought it was return. I don't know why.
Now we are getting deeper and deeper.
Mm-hmm.
We should prompt the user to enter positive integer.
So first we do a scanner.
You already said you know how to do it. Exactly, using scanner class. Great. So here we are creating an object from the scanner class. Okay. Yes.
System dot
yeah.
in.
Okay. But I have an objection. You know what is it? I told you before that we should give meaningful names to our variables and objects. This X has no meaning. Unless you are Elon Musk and you will name your program X.
Yeah.
Now X is meaningless. So you should put a meaningful name.
Positive maybe?
No, you can name it scanner also.
Name it what?
Yeah, the same as the class name, scanner. But instead of capital S, it will be all lowercase. Yeah, scan.
Okay.
Scan, it's okay. Now, don't forget the semicolon at the end.
Yeah, semicolon.
What's next?
And scan equals.
Not scan equals. Like scan, this scan object will be used to receive the user input. After we receive this user input, we should store it in a variable.
Okay, scan.
Don't say scan equal. We will not store our value in scan. We'll just use a scan to receive the value, but we will store it in a variable. So we should create a variable.
Okay, we'll do an int.
Yes, int, because we expect to receive integer from the user. So we create a variable of type int and we call it number. It's okay, good. Yes, and we will use a scan object from the class scanner, okay, to receive the value using a method called nextInt. Why we used nextInt, not next double or next anything else? Because we expect the user to enter integer. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, great. So now, using all this scan and nextInt and all this stuff, we received the user input and we stored it in num variable. So now this num variable carries the user input. What we're gonna do next?
We will do
Like first, first step of the program is already done. Like write a program that prompts the user to input a positive integer. Okay, it's done. And for enhancement, yeah, exactly. I was about to tell you that. But this one, this line, enter positive integer should be before the scan, not after the scan.
Oh, really?
Yes. Cut, you know how to cut? No. Okay. Delete now. Yeah. Okay. Good. Very good. Now the second part of our program is to get this number and display the multiplication table. So multiplication table from 1 to 12.
We're gonna do a loop, for loop, you think?
Yeah.
For loop it is.
Not
Okay.
number. Multiplication table is from 1 to 12.
Okay. 1 to 12.
Hmm.
Is less than 12 maybe?
We're not using number now. Just differentiate between the number and the index. Index is something different. Now I'm talking about index.
Oh, okay, index.
Like, yeah, how many times we will count. So this is called index. And to handle this index, we need a new variable. And I think you're already familiar with for loop. Yeah, great. Int, yeah. No, not int1.
I mean,
We please focus on giving meaningful name. Meaningful name, you can call it index, or to make it short, you can make it only I, whatever, but it should give a meaning of the purpose of this variable or this function. Okay?
we're gonna name it 1 or equal to 1, right?
Yes, because we
Okay.
should start from 1 until we reach 12. No, we should, yes. Yeah. And in each iteration, yes, we will increase the index by. So it's incrementing index plus plus. Okay, good. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Look how easy it is to create curly brackets, opening and closing. Yeah. And look how your code is now formatted nicely
Clean.
and readable, right?
Yes, very clean.
Exactly. It's clean code. Yeah. Great.
Yeah, so we're gonna say the index.
Mhm.
Oops, sure. We'll say the
So now we should display some multiplication table.
The sum is,
Not sum. We don't have sum. We
I
have
mean,
multiplication table.
the
What is
results.
multiplication table? We already studied multiplication table in primary school.
Yep.
Okay. So we have number and we want to display the multiplication table for this number. What is multiplication table all about? Can you write some example for multiplication table in a comment, please?
Like one.
For example, I enter the value of 5 as a number. So imagine that value of num is 5. Now write some values of rows of multiplication table for the value of 5, for number 5.
Num,
In
you
a
mean
comment,
num.
write it in a comment, not like this in the code.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
So we do like 5
So 5, yes,
times
yes.
2.
No, we start by 1, not by 2.
5 by 1.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, equal 5.
Okay, good. Next line.
We'll do 5.
Comment.
Oops. Yeah. 5.
Do you know how to make multi-line comments?
No. Oh yeah. I remember. It's, what was that thing? Oh yeah, the star. The
Yeah,
star.
star, yeah. Please do it. Okay, good. Enter.
Yeah.
Hit enter. Yeah.
All right. 5 times. 5 times 3.
Okay, great. That's enough. So not to waste time. Okay. How to achieve this same shape, okay, using programming. So here, 5 times 1 equals 5. Okay, right?
Yep.
What is representing 5 in our code?
5 equals.
Where is 5 in our code? Which variable represents or holds the value of 5 in our code?
The num. I know the index.
Num,
The index.
yes, exactly, correct.
Okay.
Num
Yeah.
represents 5 here in this example, okay? And what is 1, 2, 3
1, 2, 3 is index.
is index, exactly. So using num and index, try to achieve this exact same shape you just did in the code, please.
So the results times 5 times 3. Okay, the results. The results is the num.
Correct. What is next?
Num times 3.
Need this
9
X sign.
times. Oops.
No. No. We should display this X sign the same as it is. So we should put it in in between quotes.
So, like,
Here, look, bro.
mhm.
When we put anything inside or in between these two quotes, double quotes, okay, it will get displayed the same as it is. But when we put num without these quotes, okay, we are displaying the value inside num. So here you type x without the double quotes. We don't have here any variable called x. And of course,
right.
since we don't have a variable called x, we don't have value stored in x.
Yeah, X
So
like the
you, yes,
timetable, right?
x like times. So we want to display it the same as it is. So we should put it inside the quotes.
Put it inside the code.
Yes. Put quotes and put x inside quotes. The same as
Oh,
the results. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Do you know why this red line? Because you need to do the same as you did on the left side. Exactly, you should do on the right side. On the right side, on the left side, you added the plus sign.
oh, okay, plus.
So
Oh, that's
on the
right.
right side, you should also add, yes, exactly.
Num plus. Okay.
Yeah, but to make your code more readable, you should put a space on the right and on the left of X inside the codes. Yeah, to put space between characters. Okay, great. So now num times something. What is next?
Yeah.
What is next?
Times num times index.
Again, you put index without plus sign.
Oh yeah, plus.
Don't forget. Yeah. Great. Now we need the equal sign.
Equal.
Brother,
Okay. Plus.
you make me angry. Look what you did to x. Just do the same, but instead of x, put equal.
But equal. Index equal.
Brother, we need to display the equal sign. Right?
We're done. We're done up here, right? Okay.
To display equal sign, just do the same as you did with x sign. Look at what you just did with this x sign. Just make it one more time, but instead of x, put equal.
Oops. Hold on.
Relax, take it easy. Yeah. Delete. Yeah, exactly. Very good. Okay. Good. Very good. Looked so easy. Now, final step is to display the result of the multiplication. You know how we're gonna do that? No, on the same line. No,
Oh yeah.
on the same line. Why you create new print statement? Just delete this and continue in the same statement.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. Yeah.
Okay. You remember the arithmetic operators. And we said arithmetic operators are used to make mathematical calculations. And now we have a mathematical calculations that we should do. We have num and we have index, and we should get the multiplication of that. How we're gonna do that? We're gonna do it using arithmetic operator.
We're gonna do print.
What is the operator that we use in Java to get multiplication of two numbers? Do you know what is the sign we use to display this operator?
Equals. It's
The
equal.
star, man. Star.
Oh, star.
Mm.
The star.
So instead of 5x1 or 5 times 1, we'd make num star index.
Oh yeah, yeah, num star. Okay. Wow. Plus. Oh, star.
No. No, because we don't need codes. We don't need to display the star.
Okay.
You just deleted the closing bracket.
Oh yeah, closing bracket.
I told you don't mess with brackets.
Okay.
Okay, good. Now, after the equal sign, we need to display the result of multiplication of num and index. We have a variable called num storing a value, another variable called index holding a value. We should multiply them by each other and then display the result.
All right, so that is
I
correct.
told you a while ago what you're gonna write. Don't go to new line, please. Please continue on the same line and delete this star because it's useless. We don't need to display star. We need to use a star, okay, to perform the multiplication. We will multiply number by index using the star. Do
index. Okay, plus.
Go ahead.
Times. Index times. Oops. Index times. So index plus. Index equals index times num, or times in num, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, num.
As we said in this comment that we said 5 is represented by num in our code. And 1, 2, 3, blah, blah, blah is represented by index. So here we multiply num by index, right?
Right.
Okay, great. And you just did the right thing right now.
Okay.
Just please run your code to make sure that everything is going well. Enter positive integer. Yes, please enter positive integer.
1.
As you like. Okay, good, 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 good. Can you try one more time and instead of one, like make it somehow more complex? Not really 77. Make it only 3 or 4, only to make sure that the calculation is just done fine.
Okay.
Okay, look here. Yeah, let's analyze any line of this. Okay, so here we have first the word or the sentence, the result. Where did you get this sentence? Here from line
Yeah.
number 11. First
Yeah.
quote you had is the results, and then space. This is the content of the first quote you have on line number 11, right? And we had it
Right.
the same as it is on all lines, okay?
Yeah.
Next, we have 4, right? Where did we get 4? 4 is your input as a user, right?
Yeah, that's right.
And here in line number 11, after the results, we have num, right?
Right. Yeah.
So here, num on line number 9, you remember line number 9? Using the scanner class and next int function, we received the user input, which was
Okay.
4 in our case, right?
Right.
So here num storing the value of 4. So here when we write num, the variable name without the quotes, we got the value inside it got displayed on the screen, which is 4. Okay? Okay? Brother, you hear me?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Next to 4, we have X sign. This X sign, we got it in double quotes, so it got displayed on the screen, X. And then space.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
and then, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where did we get all these values after the X sign?
And
We got it from index, from the
yes.
variable index. Index hold the counting from 1 to 12. And each time we increment the index by 1, and then we display the current value of index. So here the index value changes. For one it's 4, another one it's 5, next 6, 7, 8, and so on. Okay. After index, we got the equal sign. Here, as you can see on line number 11, after index, we already put equal sign, so it's displayed equal sign after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Right? Brother, you
Right.
can hear me or not?
Yeah. Yeah. I
Okay.
know you.
Okay. Lastly here on the output, we get the result of the multiplication, like 4 times 4 equals 16, 4 times 5 equals 20, 4 times 6 equals 24, 4 times 7 is 28, right?
Right.
Okay, where did we get these results values like 16,
11.
20, 24,
11.
28, 32, 36, 40?
On line number 11.
Yeah, line number 11. The last operations that we did is we multiplied index times num.
Right.
Index star num means we multiply the value inside the current value inside num times the current value inside index, and then we display the result. Here the result
Okay.
is 16, 20, 24, and so on. You understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
You should follow all these rules while you are coding along.
Mhm.
Please memorize all these notes that I just told you.
Sure. I
Please.
will do.
Okay.
Yeah, I have to get going, but
Yeah,
I will
just
see.
focus. Yeah, focus. Don't get nervous. Relax. Okay. And we will have tomorrow. We'll have more practice, and I see like you are making progress. You get improved. So don't worry too much. Now, if you are in a hurry, just please, you can go.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you so much.
So,
Thank you.
yeah, tomorrow we can continue. I
Yeah.
hope you enjoyed today's session.
Yeah, thank you so much again. Thank you.
You are most welcome. Take care
Thank you for
and
your
see
time.
you
Thank you for your time.
tomorrow. Okay, you're most welcome. Have a good day.
Enjoy your day. Enjoy your night.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
okay. Goodbye.